This is another money gun video. I'm gonna be showing you a way to make real money start to finish. There's 4 steps I'm gonna show you in this video how you can earn $100 a day simply by reposting videos. I said it, folks, literally reposting videos. Folks, literally step 1, step 2 is download, then upload, then you make money. So download a video, upload a video. I'm gonna be walking you through everything on my computer so there's no loose thread, because with this method, like all my videos, when you make money, I make money, and that's why this is the #1 money channel on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get it. John Cristani here, affiliate marketer. I don't tell you too much about my story, but I love money and I love helping other people make money too. And I'm going to show you how you can make videos simply by reposting videos from other sites, downloading videos from YouTube and posting them on other sites using this method. Now, the first step with this method that's very important is you need to actually get videos to repost. Where are you going to get those videos? Well, how about this? I'm going to actually give you permission to repost every one of my videos. That's right, folks. I make tens and tens of thousands of dollars a month just from the ads on this YouTube channel. I'm giving you full permission to repost any video from my channel. I have videos that have been through millions of views, and I'm giving you permission to repost every single one anywhere you like. I'll show you a step-by-step way to make money with them. Just reposting them is not as important as actually making money with them. And I'm going to show you how you can earn money by using this method of downloading and uploading videos anywhere in the world. Let's go over to my computer. I'm going to show you. I'm going to dive right into this method and show you exactly how to do it. Now, as I said, the first step is to get videos to post. Other creators or people with video content don't post their videos on other websites as well. So you can make money simply by reposting my videos or somebody else's videos on another website and making money from the AdSense. Now, I don't know the laws. I don't know what people are fine with reposting videos. You can ask them, or you can look up the laws of your country. Again, I don't look up international law. You guys are from all over the place. Am I supposed to freaking study the laws from Morocco? Don't ask me, okay? If you put it in the comments, I will ban you from making any other comments for life. I just don't want to deal with stupid comments, okay? We're just trying to make money here. And you can repost my videos, so it's all cool. Sorry for the rant, folks. I get a lot of comments from unresourceful people. But the second step we're interested in is, now that we have the videos that we can use, is we need to download them. How do you download a video? So let's say you wanted to take this video. How would you download? Well, what you do is go to Google and you search download YouTube to MP4. An MP4 is a file type, that's a video file. So what you're really asking Google is, how do I download a YouTube video as a file? And right here, you'll see there's a bunch of results. There's a bunch of tests that there's no site is better than the other, but I'm always and I'm just going to use this result right here, which is feed. And I am going to go back to my video right here, which has 2.5 million views, and I'm going to simply copy the links right there. And then I'm going to go to this site, and then I'm going to copy and paste the link right there. We're going to click download now, right click, save link as, and then see, boom. So it says paste the link. So we just click save. Boom, just download it. So super fast. I love it. Okay, so real easily we just did number 2. Okay, we found the videos, we downloaded the videos. Now I'm going to show you 5 different places that you can actually upload your videos. every month and 27 million users. And if you can't make some sales to 120 million people, you know, I don't know what you're doing. And I'm actually going to show you a really cool way of how you can earn some really nice passive income, getting people in the door for just $1. A book I wrote, you can use my videos to sell a book I already wrote and earn 90% of the money. I'll show you exactly how this whole thing works in just a second here, but you'll be earning recurring commissions. I'll just throw that out there, recurring commissions. I'll show you it in just a second here. Let's go to the other methods. So MetaCafe, great way, lots of viral videos, all that stuff. You see thousands of people are watching these videos right now. Okay, another great site is Drake.com. Another really old site, Drake.com is right there. To sign up to that site, we'll walk you through the process. Basically, click that up the right corner and then sign up right there. And you would upload some videos. Create a channel, upload some videos, and just keep going. Keep uploading videos. Each of these platforms has different algorithms that rule that does which videos show up here and which videos don't show up. So you will want to get to know these platforms and figure out how to get the videos up. But frankly, you're just shot of success. Here's another site called 9gag. It's another kind of like viral video meme type website. So you can just upload videos here, sign up right here, and to get started. And last but not least is repoated. You can even re-upload my videos to YouTube. Now, the thing about YouTube is because I was the first person to upload my own video to YouTube, I end up making the AdSense revenue, but you end up making the affiliate commissions, which is what we're going to talk about next. So the most important way of monetizing is actually not making money from ads. Making money from ads is chump change, whereas making money from affiliate commissions is big money. And I'm going to show you how you can make money by putting affiliate underneath or within each of these videos for revenue. Specifically, what I'll be showing you is how you can sell my book. Digital workbook is $1. $1 sells any country in the world, and this book is a great book. There's over 50 ways to make it. But what's great about it is there's a free trial. There's a 30-day trial for everybody who gets paid $1 by this book. They also get a free trial, and then after that, $40 a month, and as an affiliate, you get 90%. So here's how it works, is what you do, you are going to want to go, there's going to be a link in the description, but you're going to want to go to Digistore 24. You're going to want to click register now right there. Digistore is an affiliate network based in Germany, but they're all over the world, and they pay out affiliates over $250 million a year. They work with any country in the world, and they will pay you one of three ways. They'll pay you via PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account, or they'll pay you via a bank wire, which means you'd have to have a bank account to get paid via bank wire, or they'll pay you via check. You need an address. And what you need to do is you need to register right here. Some fields are optional, some fields aren't. And when you log into your account, you will be able to see how much money you earn and what have you. Where you want to go to get your affiliate link for my product is you actually want to go to the marketplace right here, where it says marketplace right there. And you'll click the marketplace, and then you will go down to where it says internet marketing and e-business on the left-hand side. In this category, you'll see the #1 product. There's only 5 products here right now. But the #1 product is Work at Home Secrets and Internet Desktop Digital Continuity. You get 90% commission rate. If you want to see how it works, you just copy right here your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link. So what I like to do is I like to shorten it. I like to make it very short. What do you do Now let me show you what it actually looks like when somebody clicks on the link. So what it looks like when somebody clicks on the link is it says start working from home today. And it says without any experience, tech skills, a product, or an audience. And we have a American celebrity as currently as one of the endorsers of the book. There's a long page which explains what you get. And what's most important is you start for $1. And what's even better is you'll see there is a $39.99 monthly program here that starts after 30 days, which means you earn 90% of all of this. You earn 90% of the dollar, you earn 90% of this. Now, imagine if you just got 2 people every single day to spend $1. You got 2 people every single day to spend $1. So 2 people a day times 30 days, $2. Hopefully you're big enough to get 2 people to spend $1, right? Type in easy if you think you can get 2 people a day to spend $1. Type in easy. So that means you're getting 60 customers. So the recurring revenue is 90% of $40. You're going to times that by 90% times 40. That's $36. You have 60 customers times $36 a month. Basically, that will leave you with $2,160 a monthly recurring revenue. If you can get 2 people to spend $1 every day, you would be getting roughly $2,200 a month in recurring revenue. And you'll be selling a book that genuinely helps people. Now you might be asking, why am I doing this? Well, I have thousands of subscribers. If I make 10% of the efforts of thousands of people, I end up ahead no matter what. And either way, I'm looking to change the world. There's a revolution going on right now. And people working at home, companies don't want to hire people in offices anymore. People are moving out of the city. We got to help them lead the revolution, and I want to be at the forefront of it. So in order to monetize, all you need to do is you need to post your link below the video and say, get the book, or just say, learn more, get the book. And you just post that below the video that you post up, and you can start earning money. Because whenever you post a video of me, people are watching. They'll be very willing to spend $1 in order to learn more ways to make more money. For instance, on page number 34, I share with folks a little over a dozen websites of where they can earn as much as $50 an hour working online. People are willing to spend $1 to learn that. Furthermore, there are workbook questions in each chapter, just like a school textbook. Learn and really ingrain the knowledge in their head. It's built like a school textbook. It's built to help people retain knowledge because working at home is a really thing not taught in school. Now, here are a bunch of other websites that you can actually post on. You can post on Facebook, you can post videos on LinkedIn, you can post videos on Mixer, Twitch, Periscope, Loops, DLive, Zane, Major League Gaming. I don't even know all these sites. Vaughn Live, etc. You can post on all these sites, but the point is you have the videos. You have the way to make money. You have the knowledge and the ability to download and upload these videos, and the math is all worked out for you. You just need to get 2 people a day to spend $1, right? And you need to post these videos up as many places as possible. Where we can get where we can do this place. There's a lot of videos on my channel. I'm starting to videos that are doing this most. Those are the most popular. Building up the time, building up the time. Do what you need to get the videos out there, post them, find ways to get traffic, and find ways to get post them. Because you do this, you will be allow you to I talked about in other videos how much money I make month, and over $100,000. I never thought I'd be able to make money in this life, but it's fantastic. It's really cool. But I don't want fancy things. You can live life whatever way you want. So go do it. If you're going to take action, type in "I'm an action taker" in the comments below, okay? Like this video, subscribe if you want more, because I got these methods coming all day long. Hit the notification bell. I'm looking to make more millionaires this year than ever before. So check it out. Let's get this started. Check out my other videos, but use this one. I look forward to helping you all out. Have a good day.